everybody, Cherish the Messy Painter here. Today I am working on covering up a mess. I kind of liked it a little bit when I first did it, but then I realized that the only thing I could do with it was maybe put a quote here. I just didn't like the flow of it. It just didn't make sense to me. So I'm using 4 colors to make 3. So what I did was I took this graphite by Amsterdam and I mixed it with the silver and some of the pearl white. I have this one right here is the light gold, and this is by itself. And then this light gray right here, I used a little bit of this silver with the pearl white, and I kind of didn't like the color of it. So what I did was I put like 2 drops of this in there, and then I actually did like the color. So it actually doesn't have that much shine to it. So what I did was I added in a little bit of my Hemingway glitter. This one is the it's microfine glitter, and this is the silver holographic one. That is my favorite stuff to use. I did mix all of my paints with Floetrol and a little bit of soft gel gloss and just a little bit of water, and I did my wonderful consistency drip test. Boy, say that 10 times fast. And I'm happy with my level of thickness for my paints. I'm doing a flip cup, and I'm looking for something soft, something pretty metallic and soft. Wish me luck. So I find this really funny that my flip cup turned into a DutchPour. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna take a second and I'm gonna walk away from this before I make it look too busy, and then I will come back in a few minutes and see if I want to change anything. I think that's the best way to do it because I don't want to make a mess. Well, that's literally what I do every day, but you know what I mean. Okay, I've walked away and I've come back, and I think the only part that is bothering me is this part right here. Not sure if I wanted to continue to go that way. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to blow that area very lightly and see how, if I like the change. I'm really happy with it now. I love I'm really glad I ended up putting in some of the Australian Floetrol in there with the titanium white. I love this area. This is a little bit dark right here, so I am gonna blow this real quick just because it looks like just a blob of paint. But other than that, I'm done with it, and hopefully I don't screw it up right now. I hate when I do that. Okay, I'm done. I love it. Really wish me luck on how this dries. It's really different. I love the gold. I haven't used the Amsterdam Light Gold that much. I usually use Liquitex Gold or the 24 karat gold, probably mixed in with the Amsterdam, but the Deco Art Gold is really awesome and has cool effects, but I didn't want that in this. This is not a flip cup, but that's okay. I love this. All right, wish me luck, and let's hope it dries well, and I'll see you with the dry results. I am so happy that I did not give up on this painting. It is dry. It has been varnished with the Grumbacher gloss varnish spray, and I love it. I think I'm going to call it soft gold. I really love, there's two parts that I like. I like this area here. I like over here. I like the whole thing. I'm glad I didn't give up on it and that I switched tactics and it worked out. Okay, if you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, please consider doing that. And to all my new subscribers, thank you. And to everybody who is returning, thank you also. And I will see you in the next project. Thanks for watching.